how to find view profile information on your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your profile information on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. Now click on those three lines up there to get to this page. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and scroll down. Click on see your time on Facebook. Scroll down and click on see your time. Now all you need to do is click on see activity log and scroll down until you find profile information and click on view profile information, and they're gonna give you all your profile information. If you ever change your name, your birthday, your email, your phone number, whatever, they're gonna show you all your profile information here. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.